In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause and resume video recording on Loom. If you ever need to gather your thoughts, move to a different window, or clear background noise without stopping your recording, this is exactly what you need. Pausing and resuming lets you keep one clean video while trimming out those in-between moments, and it only takes a click or a quick shortcut. Start by going to Loom and begin recording just as you normally would. Choose your capture type, screen, camera, or both, and hit record. Once you're rolling, keep an eye out for the recording control bar. This control bar usually floats on your screen, often along the edge or near the bottom, and it stays on top so you can reach it easily while you present. On that bar, you'll see the pause icon. Click pause whenever you want to halt the recording temporarily. The moment you click it, Loom stops capturing both your screen and your microphone, so there's no extra chatter or cursor movement being recorded during your break. Your video isn't saved or split, it simply waits. When you're ready to continue, click resume on the same control bar. The timer picks up from where you left off, and you can keep presenting without starting a new file. Viewers won't see the pause itself, just a seamless continuation, so it's perfect for cleaning up awkward transitions or redoing a sentence. For an even faster workflow, use the built-in keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press Alt plus Shift plus P. On Mac, press Option plus Shift plus P. Pressing this once pauses instantly. Pressing it again resumes because it toggles. You can keep your hands on the keyboard and avoid hunting for the control bar, which is especially helpful when you're mid-demo or working in full-screen apps. A few quick tips to make this feel natural. Practice the shortcut once or twice before your real recording so it becomes second nature. If the control bar seems tucked away, move your cursor toward the edge of your screen. It often becomes more visible when you interact with it. You can pause and resume as many times as you need during the same recording, and everything stays in a single Loom link. To keep your final video smooth, consider backing up a sentence when you resume so the cut feels seamless. That's it. Start your recording, use the pause button on the control bar when you need a break, hit resume to continue, or use the Alt plus Shift plus P or Option plus Shift plus P shortcut to toggle instantly. With this simple skill, your Loom videos will be cleaner, calmer, and faster to produce.